Hi party people. We're gonna do some more sprout growing, but we're gonna just do them in this jar, mason jar, in that little stand instead of the tray. It's just a little bit easier, only one step as far as what you're using. So we're gonna do a little bit of bean action, little salad mix. This is a random birdseed mix. It's like sunflowers, millet, and some beans, I believe. Maybe some safflower. And then also some wheatgrass. So we're gonna put them in here, and all those are on my Amazon storefront if you're curious in getting them or growing them for your chickens, or they also work for birds. So we're gonna just put a little bit in here and like fill up to this line. And within 5 days, this whole jar will be filled with the sprouts. It's actually quite crazy. And originally I was using these smaller jars, but I had this bigger mason jar, so I just popped the lid on here and it's been working great. So I can grow more for the chickens. So I'm gonna just do, let's kind of eyeball it like, this is what, a half a cup I think? So just a little bit of those. Some beans. A little bit of salad mix. These are small, but mighty once they start growing. Like that might have been a little too much. And then a little bit of wheatgrass. Whew, getting everywhere. And then we'll just take this and give it a couple rinses, and then we'll just soak this for 12 hours, or overnight if you're doing it at night. I would just give it a couple rinses just to make sure that, you know, there's no like residue or anything. Okay, so we're gonna just let this sit here overnight, or in my case, for 12 hours, and then tonight I will drain that and rinse it, and then you're gonna just rinse it 2 to 3 times a day, and then in like 4 or 5 days, it'll be ready to feed to the birdies. So I'll take some videos as I go each day so you see how much growth we get. Look, you can see they're starting to sprout. All right, so I already gave them their rinse this morning, but look at how much they're sprouting in there. It's kind of hard to like totally tell, but just give it like 2 more days. This whole jar will be full. Wow, look at how much they've grown in 1 day. They might be ready by tomorrow, or maybe the next. We'll see. Okay, wow. See how much they've grown? Like the whole jar is full. Kind of crazy. Ready to feed to the chicken dudes. You're like, yummies.